I've been a public figure nearly for 25 years. There is an image of Shah Rukh Khan that comes through cinema.
Hollywood doesn't have Shah Rukh Khan, and Bollywood doesn't have Sean Penn.
He's such a charming guy and probably the most intelligent guy I met.
हम अच्छे एक्टर माने जाते थे, हमारे पास कोई बैठता ही नहीं था, सब शाहरुख के साथ ही बैठते थे.
SRK.
My reason of becoming an actor.
Shah Rukh Khan romancing is, you can't get better than that.
I would do anything for Shah Rukh.
Shah Rukh is, wow, I call him Energy King.
Shah Rukh Khan take his shirt off and think, oh, he's like the guy next door. We're thinking he's hot, he's sexy.
Right. Today's generation, Shah Rukh sir is Amitabh Bachchan.
The question is, what is that one thing Bollywood don't have and one thing that Hollywood don't have? Basically, the English थोड़ा सा इसमें funny है इनका.
Okay.
So I think yes.
Adnan Sahab, Hollywood doesn't have Shah Rukh Khan, and Bollywood doesn't have Sean Penn.
Her name is Insha. You work with so much dedication and work so hard. Do you have any advice for your fans about how they can put their 100% into achieving their dreams?
Insha, my advice to them would be that, don't waste your energies in thinking about what others are doing around you. Don't think about how you can undermine somebody else.
Right.
Think positively, you'll look younger, your eyes will seem more innocent, and you'll enjoy and achieve your dreams faster, I think.
SRK.
My reason of becoming an actor.
Acha, why is that?
I was still am. I was crazy fan, and I could just connect with his journey because him also being from Delhi, an outsider, and his whole charisma. I think every Delhi boy, if you ask them, to be very honest, subconsciously they know they are in this industry because of Mr. Shah Rukh Khan.
Acha.
Every Delhi boy.
Sir, do you feel that he's quite a shy guy?
Most of the actors are. Right. We overcome that, and I'm sorry, I like to say this one thing which may be completely contrary to what people say. I think if you're not shy, you're not an actor. The reason you become an actor is because there are a lot of things that you in your personal life can't do, and you give vent to it by playing different characters, being someone else. This is what my belief is. I could be completely wrong. But having said that, I think yes, Sonu is not only very shy, an extremely decent, well-mannered, well brought up person. And Bowman is obviously someone who everyone knows is very articulate, speaks for actually everyone in this team is an extremely shy, quiet person. I think together we flower a little more.
Like
individually, we do an interview 6 together, we'll be louder and more fun and boisterous. When you get 3, and if you get singular, we'll be just very serious and quiet and be even more shy. I'm shy. We're all very shy.
Shah Rukh Khan.
Shah Rukh Khan, the question I asked is, how are you so charming? And he can break anybody down. He's such a charming guy and probably the most intelligent guy I met. He's lovely.
This is Sagar from Hyderabad, Pakistan. Surely from every project experience, you take something with you into the next project. What have you taken from zero and what is your next project?
I hope the experience from zero would be that I get more encouraged to do different stuff. I hope it's not discouraging. That listen, don't make these offbeat films, make a template film, make a hit film, like everyone tells me, including my family and friends. But now they are normal wali. So I don't want to make a normal film. So I hope the encouragement from zero would be to make more abnormal films.
The action that we're seeing in the promos so far, I think is simply fabulous. Especially that वो जो आपने जो जिस तरीके से आप इसमें टायर में आपने जिस तरीके से किया. You enjoy the entire thing? It's something totally different from what you've done.
जब मैं फिल्मों में आया था, मैंने रोहित को ऐसा बोला भी नहीं था. मेरी लाइफ का एक ड्रीम था कि मेरे साथ अगर एक पोस्टर ऐसा बन जाए जिससे मैंने वाइट बनियान पहनी हो, मेरे मुंह पे ब्लड हो और सफ़ेद कपड़ों के अंदर एक लड़की मेरे साथ खड़ी हो, मेरे हाथ में बंदूक हो, तो मैं रिटायर हो जाऊंगा उसके बाद. लेकिन मेरी कुछ शक्ल पे ऐसा लिखा है कि मैं एक्शन कर नहीं सकता शायद. सो व्हेन आई केम इनटू दिस फिल्म, मैं रोहित का बहुत बड़ा फ़ैन हूँ, उसकी फिल्मों का, और एज अ पर्सन ऑल्सो आई गॉटन टू नो हिम एंड ही इज़ इवन मोर वंडरफुल दैन हिज फिल्म्स आर. जब मैंने काम किया तो मुझे लगा कि शायद ये ऐसा सोच के आएगा कि शाहरुख से हम कम एक्शन ही कराएंगे, मगर इसने ऐसा नहीं सोचा, भरपूर कराया, मेरी सारी भड़ास निकाल दी. पोस्टर भी तकरीबन सेम हो गया, ऑलमोस्ट सेम हो गया. आई हैव डन एक्शन इन लॉट ऑफ फिल्म्स, नॉट इनफ मे बी, बट इट्स डिफिकल्ट. बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. जो एक्शन हीरो हैं जैसे अजय हैं और अक्षय हैं, ये लोग मतलब इट्स अ डिफिकल्ट जॉब, इट्स नॉट एन ईजी थिंग टू डू. लेकिन हैविंग सेड दैट, इस फिल्म में जिस तरह से इसने डिज़ाइन किया, मुझे चोट भी लगी हुई थी. इसकी पूरी टीम ने एक्चुअली, मोर देन हिम ऑल्सो, रॉड एंड राजीव एंड सूरी एंड एवरीवन, उन्होंने इतने प्यार से किया, शुरू से ऐसा डिज़ाइन किया कि मुझे लगा ही नहीं कि मैं एक्शन कर रहा हूँ. आई थॉट आई एम डूइंग सम रोमांटिक सॉन्ग ओनली, एंड आई एम सो ग्लैड. इवन दिस शॉट व्हाट यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, ये काफ़ी इंप्रेसिव लगता है, लेकिन इतने आराम से, बट आप ये कर दो शाहरुख, आप इतना कर बस ये, एंड आई एम देयर इन ऑल द शॉट्स, देयर इज नो डुप्लीकेट. but it was made so easy and simple that मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. मुझे ऐसा लगता है मैं एक्शन फिल्म में
I think we have
अच्छा
not
लगा
used
सकता हूँ.
duplicate in any shot.
There's no
in the film.
Shah Rukh is a big charmer. I mean, I know him since we were very young. He was always quite a charming guy. वो हमारे पास हम अच्छे एक्टर माने जाते थे. हमारे पास कोई बैठता ही नहीं था. सब शाहरुख के साथ ही बैठते थे. I know him since my young age. Okay, since my Delhi days. So I have a huge admiration for his achievement and for what he has made of himself.
Right.
You know, so I take a great pride. Whenever I look at his house and look at his achievement, look at his family, I know how he lost everything and how he gained everything back. It's remarkable. It's really remarkable.
Nawaz Bhai, and he really believes so, then he must have enjoyed working with me.
Right.
And so did I. I think Nawaz Bhai is a stupendous actor, one of the best talents we've had in years, anywhere in the world.
Right.
And and we have a lot of we have some meaty bits in the film together, and I really believe that having worked with him, film being Rahul Dholakia's reality-based aspect, we're trying to commercialize it a little bit, make it popular.
Please ask him, does 2.0 inspire him to make sequel of Ravan, and will he make it?
To be honest, Ravan inspires me to make a sequel of Ravan. So if I get another opportunity, another story, yes. And I do too many different films here. Some of them have to do well for me to get encouraged to do them again.
So this is Fatima from UK. What do you think will be the biggest takeaway from Raees?
I hope that the world that we are showing is, of course, like I keep saying, there's no justification for doing a bad thing. Raees is part of that world, whether it's circumstances, life, or just being born there. But I think the takeaway is that within every aspect of life, good, bad and ugly, there is always an inherent good quality or something nice we can find. And in Raees, I think for me, the nicest thing about the character, see, it's not just a person or whatever, but for the character, I believe that any person, man or woman, who can take responsibility for their actions in the face of fear, in the face of danger, in the face of negativity, but still stand up and say, I take responsibility for my action, I think that makes you a special human being. So I think that should be the takeaway, that don't judge by the state of place you are in, by the state of that I wouldn't do this, she does it, he does it. Whatever work we do, whichever dhanda we are in, whichever world we belong to, I think if you can be someone who takes responsibility for their action, it makes you a better person.
When your fans, many of them, they follow you because of the person that you are, of what you say on social media or otherwise in your interviews. What is your reaction to that? As a person, when you are making a difference in someone's life far away from India?
I see there are two parts to it. I've done this business for 25 years. I've been a public figure nearly for 25 years and very openly so. But there is a part of me which is very personal. And I really don't share that with anyone because I don't think anybody is interested in knowing that personal part of me. There is an image of Shah Rukh Khan that comes through cinema.
Right.
I'm not that person either. I'm the employee of that image. I work for that image. And sometimes it's right and she likes it, sometimes it's not nice enough for her. I don't work for 2 or 3 or 4 or 7 or 10, 22 people. I work for hopefully everyone or nobody. I work for me. I say, okay, I'm going to put this out and I hope lots of people like it. I can only hope and I can only try. The dichotomy happens when people start assuming, yeah, of course, I'm a public figure, so you know me publicly also, and I'm very honest and upfront about this. They might start assuming I'm this kind of a person. It's sometimes good for an actor. Because the ownership and love and the way people admire me is like their own. हमारा बेटा है, हमारा भाई है, मेरा lover है. They go to that extent. Shahrukh bhai hai. So there is a ownership to my love. You know, when they hug me, nobody is bothered that my husband or my boyfriend is looking. The girls will just hug me, and they know it's nice to hug Shah Rukh. It's all right. But there is like I said, this dichotomy. There is an issue that sometimes they feel, ऐसा आदमी ऐसा role क्यों कर रहा है? Which is kind of odd because I'm an actor. I have to do everything. And I have to first do what I feel happy about, only then I can make you happy. And some of them may not make you happy. And I understand that fully and appreciate it fully. The next one maybe will make you happy and make somebody else unhappy. So it's a balance that you have to maintain. And as a matter of fact, what it does to a star, at least to me, is that you actually just recluse yourself. And you say, listen, I just need to work hard. Everything else that will follow, I cannot control the image that I'm working for. these things will just happen. That's how they happened for 25 years. I have not had some management controlling it. I don't have someone telling me ये करते हैं तो यार लोग कहेंगे अच्छा आदमी है. I'm not a proper person. I'm not above board. I say what I feel like. I live my life off the cuff. I'm a very dignified man. I'm respectful to everybody. But you can't take away the fact that I'm a real person and I have a few things to say. I'm not going to stop from saying something because my image doesn't allow.
रोहित बीच में शूटिंग करते करते बार बार बोलते रहते थे कभी कभी कि यार वो अरे नहीं सर लोग डांटेंगे मुझको अगर ठीक नहीं किया तो शाहरुख काजोल को. तो वी यूज्ड टू फाइंड इट आउट बिकॉज काजोल एंड मी हैव नेवर थॉट ऑफ इट एज समथिंग स्पेशल. वी कम ऑन सेट एंड डू व्हाट वी डू and God's been kind. I think the directors, the writers, I think the audience more than anybody else has been very kind to the way we are received on screen. जब गाने की बात आई थी तो आई थिंक रोहित ने कहा सर इसको ऑब्वियसली इट शुड बी अ क्लासिकल शाहरुख काजोल रोमांटिक सॉन्ग एंड स्टिल अ लिटिल वेरिड. तो आज के ज़माने में हमने ऐसी जगह चुनी आइसलैंड. सो पुटिंग ऑल दोस टुगेदर एंड नाउ सीइंग द रिजल्ट आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. इट्स वेरी वेरी हार्टनिंग. जन्म जन्म मेरा खुद का फेवरेट गाना है जी. तो मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है कि वो बारिश के अंदर और थोड़ा सा इंटेंस जिस तरह से डांस शायद पूरा नहीं दिखाया अभी 1.5-2 मिनट बाकी होगा फिल्म में होगा. सो आई थिंक बोथ द सॉन्ग्स आर वेरी डिफरेंट. दोनों के दोनों लव सॉन्ग हैं और मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि लोग कह रहे हैं काजोल बहुत अच्छी लग रही है बिकॉज वो एक थोड़ी सी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी है.
I would do anything for Shahrukh.
What would you like to steal from the following people? Shah Rukh Khan.
एनर्जी है जस्ट जबरा फैन हम लोग थक जाए देखते देखते हैं तो एनर्जी.
His ability to charm, maybe his marketing acumen, his business acumen.
I would love to work with Shahrukh again. I mean, he's an amazing actor and he's one of the biggest stars in the country.
It's not that I'm making fun of Shah Rukh Khan because whenever you see Sarson Ka Khet, Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge is such an iconic song that you only get reminded of that.
Shah Rukh Khan romancing is, you can't get better than that. So like I love him in all the films.
शाहरुख वाह आई कॉल हिम एनर्जी किंग. इनफैक्ट जैसे हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर की एनर्जी जो लेवल है नरेंद्र मोदी की वो गजब की एनर्जी उसी तरह की शाहरुख खान में भी है.
Shahrukh's energy then also was so brilliant and after so many years it's going like there's no stopping. Brilliant.
I've had people tell me that we've done surveys and people have said this is a couple we want to see together, but I don't know why no one's written a script for us together. And I hope when it happens it's a nice relationship story. I think because I love love stories and I'd love to romance Shahrukh.
The Khan of all seasons. Shah Rukh Khan. What will you do if you wake up as the following? Shah Rukh Khan.
Oh my God, I'll be tired because वो बहुत ज़्यादा काम करते हैं and I can't handle it.
20-21 साल का दिल्ली का लौंडा. I think this term
बिल्कुल सही.
completely fits.
He will be happy to hear that.
हाँ, मतलब he's young, he still thinks he's 20-21, that kind of energy, that passion.
What is his feeling to work with Shah Rukh Khan?
इतना humble है वो. मतलब मैं ये expect नहीं कर रहा था.
What can one tell Shah Rukh Khan? And Shah Rukh is the guy who can give advice to the whole world. Many fans out there are dying to see Shahid and SRK in a movie playing as brothers. Will this happen soon?
I mean, if it happens, it'll be great.
For Shahrukh, so I did a very important film of my career,
Dil To Pagal. National award you won for that.
and I won my national award for that film, so that was very special.
We're not watching like Shah Rukh Khan take his shirt off and think, oh, he's like the guy next door. We're thinking he's hot, he's sexy.
Like in today's generation, Shah Rukh sir is Amitabh Bachchan. He's that big, obviously.
Shah Rukh Khan.
Want to be married to. Actually, Shah Rukh Khan, I want to be a slave to.
Giving too many ideas actually.